what was done door to door was not taken into consideration by the judges or the bench which in fact passed this order. That's the defense coming in from Professor Monojit Mandal. Please respond to that. Sanju Verma.
Madhav.
Mr. Mandal, you have spoken now one by one. Please, you have made your point. You have made a legal point. Now let the response come in from the BJP side. Please.
Thank you. And Madhav, I've had many feisty debates with you wherein you've asked me to, restrain myself. But I don't think I've ever told you live on air, Madhav, what the hell are you talking about? Which is exactly what Professor Mandal told you 2 minutes back. And I absolutely condemn this kind of language for a seasoned journalist. But let me come to the moot point. And the moot point is this. Prior to 2011, this is what Hansraj Ahir, the chairperson of the National Commission for Backward Classes, has stated in no uncertain terms. Prior to 2011, there were 108 communities classified as OBCs in West Bengal, out of which 55 belong to Hindus and 53 to Muslims. Roughly 50-50. Now, as things stand, out of 179 OBC communities, 118 belong to Muslims, which means 66% of the OBC communities in West Bengal are Muslims. And the more important thing is that you have two categories in West Bengal, OBC category A and OBC category B. And what I found absolutely appalling, but not surprised in the least given Mamata's vote bank appeasement oriented politics, is that in the OBC A category, there are 90 communities, 90, out of which 81 are Muslims and only 9 are Hindus, which means 90% of the OBC A category has been completely, it is the Muslims which gain all the benefits under the OBC A category. And this is very, very relevant because if you are an OBC under category A, you get preference in admission to schools, colleges, government jobs, promotions, and access to a whole lot of other benefits, which your Hindu or Buddhist or Jain or Christian brethren don't have access to. So A, Mamata Banerjee's vote bank appeasement oriented politics, catering only to Muslims, mullahs, maulanas, imams needs to be called out. B, for all those who come on national channels and say, oh, BJP की ये policy तो Article 14 right to equality के खिलाफ है, oh, BJP की ये policy तो Article 15 के खिलाफ है, right to equality is being smothered by the BJP dispensation. आज right to equality के सूरमा आप सब मुंह में ताला लगाकर क्यों बैठ गए हैं?
Okay.
And the last but not the least, the most important point is this: how did Mamata Banerjee, manage to get 90% of OBC A category benefits for Muslims alone?
Okay.
She basically circumvented the Supreme Court.
Let me come in because we have limited time. I want to quickly